Types of diseases which you can have if you don't care of your fitness in your life. Friends, imagine for a moment that you are in your 80s and 90s and you are just seeing your life again back, and you are seeing that the way you are living, the way you used to live was not fit. When you used to go into your office, you were not energetic. When you used to consume your lunch, you usually wanted to sleep. For the many years you just wanted to go to gym or wanted to do some kind of workout, but that day has not been came, and today you are living on the will of the doctors. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their fat, and I help them to achieve their dream personality and a marvelous lifestyle. Friends, I like to tell you about that the we all know, and there is something common between you and me, that we all going to be die one day. But it always matters that what quality of life you have carried in whole your life. If a person who has never lifted a weight, but once he lift a bucket of water, he felt the pain. If a person who has never faced the issue of immunity or the low immunity, but a person who whenever a season comes he usually used to be sick. A person when he achieved the age of 60, still he used to walk and still he was used to breathe and still he used to think like a young person. But a person uh, who is uh, who has achieved his 60 age, but on the even before his he has already catched a bed because of the hard illness. So friends, that's why it is really important for you to, once you achieve a age, and especially I would like to talk about the people who comes under the 30 and 45 age, that this is the right time for you to adapt a fit lifestyle, because you are going to become a man or a woman who is going to face the problems as the age grows. So that's why you need to have the fitness in your life. If you're not going to have the fitness, then not today, but maybe after 45 years you're going to face some problems. Today I'd like to talk about the three major diseases which usually happens if a person do not take care of his fitness at the right age. The number one disease is the type 2 diabetes. Many of the people who are in this world, more than 30%, even they are not even aware that they are diabetic. And the most people who are overweight after 35 age or who are obese, they are 50% more chance that they have the problem of diabetes within them. And diabetes, type 2 diabetes is especially a disease which can be cured if you are going to take care of your health from now onwards. You need to make a change in your food, you need to make change in your exercise, you need to make change in your lifestyle. If you're going to do, then definitely the type 2 diabetes will run away and you will feel the fitness in your life forever. The second disease is the high blood pressure problem. Basically, due to the modern day works, due to the household works, due to the overweight, obesity, it comes along with that when the heart needs to pump more to press or to pump the blood into our body. So that's why the problem of high BP occurs. So whenever a person who is not taking care of his diet, on that time, due to diet, heart needs to pump more. So that's why high BP is the common problem in the obese people or the overweight issue. If you don't want this, then please include some exercises in your life. Please include some good diet in your life and change your lifestyle from now. The third disease is the problem of self-image. Friends, if you don't have the self-image or the confidence into you just because of your health, then definitely it can impact your work life, it impact your family life, and it impact your own personality. Definitely, that's why we have seen many of the people who once they reduce their weight, they finally get the happiness and you can see their smiley face in before and after pics easily. So that's why if you're going to see the pain in eating a good diet, or if you're seeing pain in doing the exercise or workouts even for the 15 minutes, then it's a wrong thinking of you, it's a wrong mindset of you. Because whether you want to believe it or not, if you're not going to lift your body weight to today, then you have to face the issue of lifting a bucket of a water or even opening a cap of a ketchup bottle in your upcoming age. So that's why strength is the need of the life, energy is the need of the life. Focus on it, focus on your fitness and focus on your lifestyle and focus on your diet. And it is a skill which is a learnable skill, that how to manage your food and how to make nutritious food in a tastier way, what kind of exercise good, and in minimum time how you can gain the more benefits from the workouts, and how to adapt step by step your lifestyle into a fit lifestyle as per your work life, your personal life, your family life, and your own choices. Friends, if you want to join me, then I have a system which will guide you to lose up to 10 kg, which will guide you to become a extraordinary, to adapt the extraordinary lifestyle, and how you can manage your weight forever in your life under my guidance. So if you are interested, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.